Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how you can grill your tilapia fish. So this is my tilapia fish. It's washed already. It's clean, wash. You can see. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna cut it. Just give some lines. So I'm gonna keep this aside. So now I will slice my onion. So I'm going to transfer it into my blender. So guys, after I finish blending my tomato, this is the consistency. So now I'm going to add a little salt. Very small salt to it. I'm gonna add my turmeric. I'm gonna add my garlic and herb seasoning. My fish sauce, so I'm gonna add to it also. So I'm gonna add my sunflower oil, as you can see. So I'm gonna mix it together. So after that, I'm gonna add my sauce into the fish. Open the belly, put inside. Make sure that the sauce penetrates inside all the fish so that it will have taste. So you turn to the other side, you did same. After that, I transfer it to a clean foil. I'm gonna wrap it. So I will let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then we'll come back to it. So now I'm gonna grill the fish. So guys, so I'm eating it with rice and fish sauce, as you can see. So it's very easy to make. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video to help someone. Thank you. Bye.